In this video, you learn about the theme node, a special node inside Nody for the management of themes. Let's get started. The theme node has been added to DoozyUI in version 3.1.0 with the addition of the theme management system. And let's see it. So let's create a new graph. All right, and you can add it by create node, theme node. What does the theme node do? Well, it activates a variant for a particular theme. In this project, I have three themes: another theme, general, and my theme. And each theme has its own variant. So let me show you the themes. So here I have variants 1, 2, and 3. The general has only the default variant, and my theme has dark, fire, and light. How can we change the variants at runtime without the need of code? Well, I have 3 buttons, and these are simple buttons, simple UI buttons that only have a name to them. So I have button 1, button 2, and button 3. They have nothing else added here. And I would like, when I click button 1, to activate variant 1 for the another theme, then variant 2, then variant 3. So I'm going to create some portal nodes. Navigation, portal. And I'm say for my first portal node, I would like to listen for a UI button called button 1. And when that happens, I want to activate a certain theme. Let's disconnect this. Actually, let's make the first theme the one that is active always. So when we click the example 1 button, so this one, I want to activate variant 1 of the another theme. Now I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to create another portal node. And I'm going to say listen for UI button, example. And I'll say button 2. And same thing, I'm going to create a theme node. I'm going to link it. And here I'm going to say activate variant number 2, named 2, actually. And let's copy this and paste it. And here I'm going to say button 3 and activate variant number 3. And that's it. The system is now ready to go. I want to make sure that the graph controller also, let's save this graph. And let's activate it with this graph controller. There you go. And now let's see the another theme. And you'll see that I also want to see Nody. All right. So we have these nodes right here. And let's enter play mode. And when clicking these buttons, 1, 2, and 3, you'll notice that the system will react and will change the theme. So 1, 2, and 3. I think I didn't link it. No. 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And you can see that the theme changes. And in order to show you that this works, I'm going to also use some color targets. So let's create some images. All right. And here, let's add some color target. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And check it out. we'll be able to change the active variant. So right now variant 1 is active, variant 2 is active, variant 3 is active. And I've done this without writing a single line of code and using the theme node to do it. Yeah. So that's what the theme node does. It activates a variant for a target theme. And that's it for the theme node. Thank you.